Which of the following vector identities is false? Statement 1, p vector plus q vector equal to q vector plus p vector. Statement 2, p vector plus q vector is equal to q vector cross p vector. Third statement, p vector dot q vector is equal to q vector dot p vector. Fourth statement, p vector cross q vector is not equal to q vector cross p vector. Here we are discussing about two vectors, that is p vector and q vector, and for which we have to see vector addition, cross product, dot product. So one by one we will deal accordingly. So first we consider two vectors p vector and q vector. Suppose it is, for an example, it is 2 cap and let q vector as 3 cap. To understand this question, I have taken two examples, that is p vector is equal to 2 cap and q vector is equal to 3 cap. Now, first statement we will check whether it is true or false. In first statement it is given p vector plus q vector is equal to q vector plus p vector. So we will verify it. P vector can be written as 2 cap plus q vector can be written as 3 cap. Now we will see whether it is equal to q vector plus p vector. Q vector is 3 cap plus 2 cap, means this statement is true because we can see 2 plus 3j is equal to 3j plus 2 means statement is true. Now we will check second statement in which it is given p vector plus q vector is equal to q vector cross p vector. So we will write p vector as 2 cap and q vector as 3j cap. So left hand side we have to add these vectors and on right hand side we have to cross multiply these vectors, that is 3j cap cross 2 cap. So on further calculating we will get 2 cap plus 3j cap on left hand side because it is vector addition, but on right hand side we will get 6 times of minus k cap on calculating, that is 3j cross 2 cap. On calculating this one we will get 6 times of minus k cap, means minus 6 k cap. We can easily see left hand side is not equal to right hand side, that is why this statement is false. Means we have considered these equal but they are not equal, means these statement is false which is given in the question. Therefore this is false statement. Now we will check third statement which is given p dot q is equal to q dot p. So we can see here we can write p dot q means 2 cap dot 3j cap is equal to 3j cap dot 2 cap. On solving this one we will get 0 on left hand side and 0 on right hand side, means this statement is true. Now move on to next statement that is given as p vector cross q vector is not equal to q vector cross p vector. So here we are discussing about cross product of two vectors which are considered as 2 cap and 3j cap. So cross product of 2 cap and 3j cap will be 6 times of k cap. On right hand side we can see that is q, that is 3j cap cross multiply with 2 cap. On solving we will get 6 times of minus k cap, means the given statement is true. So out of the following we have to see which one is the false statement. So here in second case it is given p plus q is equal to q cross p, which is given equal. So we can say these are not equal. So if we check, the given statement is false. Here it is given equal, means it is given equal for this, but we have seen in last the final result they are not becoming equal. That is why we are saying the statement given is false. That is why we have considered this statement as false. So final answer of this question is, in which it is asked which statement is false. Therefore p vector plus q vector is equal to q vector cross p vector. That is statement 2. It is a false statement. Thank you.